It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2018-2019 Upper Deck Clear Cut Hockey. I've opened a couple of these in the last few months. I picked up a few of them near the start of the pandemic in 2020. Picked it up for $50 a box. This is very much hit or miss, because you get one card, unless it's a redemption, then you'll get a second. And, well, of the actual clear-cut cards, it's tough to get a real banger. But we're going to see. There's a great decoy for hockey cards. We're going to slide that in here so we can't see it yet. Really quick break. Let's take this out. Will probably be a tremendous disappointment. I already set myself up for failure. Set those expectations. Slow reveal. It's Christopher N. Christopher N. Rookie. Embedded endorsements. Yeah, Christopher N. Nice signature, at least. 61 of 99. But, yep. There you have it. That is Upper Deck Clear Cut Hockey. It's the reason, that I like to find this stuff on sale. Because full price and pulling this, But, like I said, at least it's a nice auto there. I think he was a 4th-round pick, does it say? His friend was a 4th-round pick in 2014. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for enjoying this box of Clear Cut as much as I did. And I will see you next time.